I didn't finish there. My marks, my grade is very bad. That's why I moved there, and I like English very much. I want to be fluent in English. That's why
Learning
I
the
moved.
language all the way.
And that's why I moved to Saudi Mecca. I want to be better in English. I want to be more fluent in English. And now in 2016, I have joined a lot of clubs in Banda Aceh. Firstly, I joined these clubs in 2012. I joined with a lot of my friends in the campus at night. Usually they make English club at night. After that, the club had kind of dwindling.
Can you speak loudly?
The club becomes a lot less people come because over time people get more job because in the first time maybe they are still in the first semester, second, third, fourth. That's why they often join in this club. After that, over time they got after they continue their study, they got in the last semester. They have to they have to come there less often because they have to focus on their study. And some have finished study, graduated in the campus, and got a new job. Maybe that's why more people become in this club. Before I moved to Saudi Mecca, I have studied English a lot from English idioms. I study from Microsoft Word, thesaurus. I study many words, like you said, the root words, like learning for the root. You can get a lot of suffixes, prefixes. So I learned I learned English vocabulary by synonyms. That's why it's easier for me to memorize many words by learning synonyms. The words that have the same meaning, like pen or pencil. Pen, pencil. Pen and pencil is different, but in terms of synonyms, they can be kind of writing stuff like that.
Yeah.
That's why it can be synonymous. And then after a while, a few years ago, I have also met a lot of English native speakers. I brave myself to speak with them, mostly from the United States. And I try to, I also try to memorize some places in America, like 50 states in America. America has 50 states or 50 provinces. I try to memorize that.
Oh.
Because I try to be more, more attached, more attracted to English. Because not only I have to memorize English vocabulary, pronunciation, idioms like that. I have to know about the country the language come from. In England, in English, like the UK, the Britain, the United States, Australia, like that. I think that's all for now.
So I have question for you. How many time, or I mean, how many years you has spent your time for learning, idiom or accent or local language in South America, in North Carolina, Florida, and then many places in America continent.
Okay.
So how many times you have spent? 4 years, 3 years, or 1 year, or 10 years? Tell me recently about that because I heard for someone say you are clever than American people. When my lecturer, his name is Lettery, he wants to learn from you about American accent. I mean, idiom accent. For example, I'm on class 9. That's very awesome, right? I'm on class 9. The mean is I'm very happy to you. I'm glad to meet you today. I'm very happy to meet you today. Every day I read book by myself in my room. Every morning, every day.
Get the books.
Read book. I mean, study hard. in my room. So give a reason why do you learn that? Because you learn about the capitality, of a part in America,
50 states.
yeah, states, America. Why you learn that? This give a reason why. I'm so curious about that
No problem, man.
all the time. You know that every single morning, every single noon, every single night. You know that every single day. Please give a reason why.
Thank you very much for the question. That's a very good question. The reason I learned English because first time I open computer and then it happened in 2006 or 7 or 8 because when first time I like to learn about computers firstly. After that I like to to try things new like Microsoft Word like that. Suddenly I found a dictionary like that in the Microsoft Word. It's named Thesaurus.
So legal.
Thesaurus.
Thesaurus, yeah.
It's dictionary of synonyms.
Oh, right. The dictionary of synonym.
Yeah. And then when I type a word in there, for example, go. Oh my God! There are many synonyms of the word go like that. So I found it curious. That's why I tried again and again, until suddenly I found phrase like that phrase.
Please.
A long phrase like sentence. It's not a sentence. It's a phrase or idioms. But I knew it later. I had on it later. What does it mean? It's so interesting for me. That's why I tried it again and again. I tried to find another idioms and synonyms like that. For about from 2008 until 2012 or 13.
Oh, shit.
So it takes about five years.
Five
It's
years.
about 5
Legal,
years.
man.
How about
bro.
the idioms?
Yeah.
Radio.
So how many words you get from you learn idiom?
Almost
until now?
6,000.
No, I haven't counted them. Maybe I can't say
6,500, I mean.
roughly about 2,000. 2,000. or
Almost 3,000. When I got new idiom
Almost
watching movie, I had,
3,000?
yeah.
around that.
Not only he can memorize, mastering a lot
Yeah,
of.
I know that, but we can't memorize all. But when we heard about that is idiom, we can remind.
Yeah,
But-
legal. Yeah.
That is the point.
Yeah.
Because for example, when what you learn, everything you learn, you will be remind
Remind.
when have the point that is when you get the story about that,
Yeah.
and when you find that story. For example, like you see set up, but that is set up. Set up. But why the RC is set up? Hold on. You know hold on?
Hold on a second. Just 1 minute.
Hold on. Nah. But some people not say is hold on.
Yeah.
That is in the movie, right? But when we find that, like we can remind because that is story. What the first we find. When the review again, we can remind.
All right. That's it.
That's it.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Fahmi. Thank you.
No, I haven't finished that. About 50 states.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Please.
Oh,
Yeah.
50
We did.
states?
Yeah. We
Wow.
did. Can memorize that.
After a while, after I studied English, a lot of vocabulary I had memorized. I think I don't memorize them. I just review again and again. I just
Again and again.
see again and again. Like we read again and again, so that it will etch on my mind. It will be attached on my brain. That's why after that, I become interested in learning America. This is the language that many movies come from, like Hollywood, like that. That's why I want to learn. Oh, America! Where is the country? I want to find it in the globe, like in the map. Where is the America? The United States, 50 states. So America is a big country. It has 50 states. That's why I find it interesting to find the like California like that. The states from A to Z like alphabet A from A to W like Wyoming is the last state. That's all.
Thank you. That's it.
That's it.
Have you finished yet?
I finished.
Okay, thank
very
you.
much.
Well, I'm sorry,
Yes, man.
my brother talking about the topic is what for Lincoln children and why. Dan con por vidi mia film mia caro amico mi tre bon gusta kan re mi interessa por vidi mia film mia caro amico. Ni citie papas porali ne sulla ang linfo set angkola Japana linfo kai la Hispana linfo kai la Araban linfo kai multan linfo la tamundo mia caro amico. Ne fergosu mia caro amico. Bon follow si subscribe boss mia video mia caro amico. Mi bolas donu alfi multai la bonan ideon por learn la multan linfo la tamundo mia caro amico. Mi re play me gusta por fi mia caro amico. Jar mi bolas donu io mete bonan ideon por learn la multa da linfo la tamundo mero. Dan con por video mia film amico. Gis. Hasta luego amigo.
Hasta luego.
Muchas gracias.
So